Infinix launched its new smartphone under Note 40 lineup in India called Infinix Note 40X, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Note 40X 5G features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Infinix Note 40X 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 108-megapixel main camera, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens plus unspecified auxiliary lens. At the front it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with XOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has DTS surround sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Dual Band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.94 by 76.49 by 8.26mm, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Note 40X 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in palm blue, starlit black, and lime green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 40X 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.